How you doing? Todd Uminski back. Are you one of those people that have goals and aspirations and dreams about doing something that people around you don't normally do, starting a business, uh, doing anything in life that the 80%, 90% of the people don't do? Well, you got to keep going. You got to go for those dreams. Do not listen to those people that say it's too hard or you can't do it or they have an excuse for things, because those are the types of people you don't want near you or around you. Or if they are in their family, then you just need to just keep doing what you need to do and keep moving forward. Your goals and your dreams are thoughts and your feelings that have been put there for a reason. You need to go and achieve these things. There's no need to stop. You need to keep going. Life is too short to listen to the naysayers. Listen to the people that have not achieved the goals and dreams and assets that you want. If you want to own a fancy car or a beautiful house or fly business class or first class or fly private, well, guess what? It's out there. You can do that if those are your dreams and goals, because you'll be the one that actually tries to get it. It's the other people that are out there that say you can't or it's too hard to get there. They say that because they don't try. It's not in their goal set. It's not what they want. They may think about it, but they don't do anything to get there. So you don't stop believing in yourself. You keep moving forward. You keep applying the thoughts. You keep applying your dreams. You keep applying your list of items that need to get done. Action, action, action. You got to take action to get these things done. Never stop. There's always a way. Never ever stop. Even those days when it's hard and everything's against you, and you know your dreams, you feel like, oh, it's not coming true, but it's a worthy dream in your head. Well, then you got to keep fighting. There's no reason to stop. You got to keep moving and moving and moving in the direction that you want. Once again, do not listen to those people that say you can't. Those are people that give up. They give up on their dreams. They give up on their goals. Or maybe they never had any, but they're people that give up. So don't give up. You'll achieve it. Keep working out there. Keep working hard. Subscribe to this channel. Send it to people. Please comment and share. I'm trying to get these messages out there to people because it's something that feels in my heart to try to help others. That's what I want to do, to help people. I want to help them achieve their goals by inspiring them, by having these videos and talks to keep in their head, something to play over and over, that they got someone on their side to inspire them and say, go for it. Not the people that are saying, oh, you can't, or it's too hard, or you'll never make it, and what if this happens, and what if that happens? Well, guess what? So what? At least you tried. At least you went forward in your dream. Hope that helps someone out there. Go and achieve your dreams.